You need to watch this if you struggle with finding tasty vegan meals. We're here to save the day. First up, the classic avocado toast. Mash that creamy goodness on whole grain bread, sprinkle some chili flakes, and you've got a breakfast fit for a king or queen. Next, let's talk smoothies. Blend spinach, banana, and almond milk for a green powerhouse. It's like a hug in a glass, but healthier. Oh, and don't forget about chickpea curry. Super easy. Sauté onions, add spices, tomatoes, and chickpeas. Simmer and voila! Dinner is served. And for dessert, try vegan brownies. Replace eggs with applesauce, and trust me, you won't miss them. So, there you have it. Delicious, simple, and totally vegan. Your taste buds and the planet will thank you.